There's so many big airplanes up there. Planes are crashing. Now time for the fun part. It's time for the destruction derby. I really want someone to cut me in half. Alright, it's flying. I don't really know what I should do. Like, I could probably run into Michael's giant spinny copter thing, but it's gonna be bad for both of us. There's a plane stuck on my left half right now, and it's really making it hard to fly this thing. It's actually kind of dragging me down to the ground. Okay, firewall, full throttle, come on, come on, come on. Plane has just crashed. The reason why? Because someone hit me, stuck to my control surfaces, blocked all the airflow, and the plane just kind of like, and then it crashed. Plane is still in one piece. I'm very disappointed with the flight test pilot crew. They're supposed to break me into millions of pieces, not tangle me and make me land. So the plane is still intact, so we'll probably just throw it and see what happens. I don't really have time to really fix it. We're gonna throw it, I'm gonna do loopy-loops and rolls and... Alright, well we're flying around. I'm gonna do a loop. Wait. We're gonna do a loop. We're gonna do a loop. Here it comes. Nose down. That's a half-baked loop, but it's a loop. Alright, let's go again. I'm gonna push it into the nosedive and try to pull out the last second. It's actually not pulling out very fast. I don't think it likes the loop.
Man, it did not like the loop.
Well, that's a good conclusion. Caproni CA60. A relic of history. I didn't work on my speech. Cut.
You got the front?
Oh, that is some epic damage.
I'm gonna tilt it up.
Okay, now I can pack it up and go home. So this is definitely the largest RC Caproni CA60 that's probably ever been built and probably will ever be built because it's a terrible flying airplane. Honestly, I don't know where you're gonna put this thing if you build it. It's massive.